Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel rishilabs. In today's video, we are going to download and install Power BI software on a Windows laptop. So let's get started. For this, we will require a Google Chrome web browser. So we'll open a Google Chrome. In search bar, you need to type Power BI desktop download and press enter. Okay, over here you will see the first link, download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official link. Okay, now scroll down. Over here you will find written Microsoft Power BI desktop. It is built for analyst. Okay, you can scroll down, check the system requirements, installation instructions. Okay, all right, over here you need to select English language and click on download. Now it will give you a pop-up with an option to download for 32-bit or 64-bit. As our laptop is 64-bit architecture, so we'll click on second one, PBI, that is Power BI desktop setup x64. Select this and click on download. Above is for 32-bit. Okay, so we'll click on download 64-bit. So our setup file is getting downloaded. You can check over here. So Microsoft Power BI desktop is generally used by data analysts to create reports and dashboards. It is a business intelligence tool in that you can create data queries and do a data modeling. It is the best tool in today's time for data analysis. Okay, so our setup file has got downloaded. We can see over here. I'll click on open. Okay, I'll close the web browser. All right, in this, select language. I'll select English. There are several language options are there. Let me choose English language. Okay, so I've selected English language. Click on next. You'll get a pop-up. You select yes. This will take some time to get it installed. So our installation is getting ready. Click on next. Select I accept the terms. Click on next. Over here, if you want, you can change the file path where you want to get the software installed, but I want to keep it default path, so I'll click on next. I want it to create a desktop shortcut, so I'll keep this checked. Click on install, and now we just need to wait for the software to get installed. So as you can see, the software takes few minutes. time to get installed. Alright, so our setup installation is completed. Over here, this is checked. So launch Microsoft Power BI desktop. I'll click on finish and it will automatically start the Microsoft Power BI software. So this is the latest version of Microsoft Power BI desktop. You can see a lot of options are there and the UI has changed recently. So about these features, how to use it, we'll see in another videos. For now, this was just Power BI desktop download and installation video. So we'll close this software for now. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you for watching.